If you're in Excel and you have a spreadsheet with a lot of rows and you don't want to scroll to the bottom every time, there's a quick keyboard shortcut to get you to where you need to go. So if you're at the top of your sheet and you have one cell selected, you can select on your keyboard Control down arrow, and that will jump to the bottommost cell in that column, which is really useful. And then you can go right back to the top by holding Control up arrow. The same works for left and right. So if I hold Control right arrow, I can jump all the way to the furthest right column, or that cell within that column. And then the same thing, Control left, will take you right back. So Control left took me back here. Another quick keyboard shortcut that I find useful is Control end. Control end will take you to the very last cell in your sheet. So here we are on the furthest right cell and the most bottom cell here. And if I want to go back, I would click Control up and then Control left, and I'm back in the first cell here. So these are really important, really great to use. It'll save you a lot of time, especially if you have a bunch of empty cells at the bottom and scrolling can be a pain in the butt and you can't find where you are. Just remember, when in doubt, Control up, Control down, Control right, and Control left. Also, Control end. That's it. I hope this helped you guys.